You have a sexy booty.
I have sex without you?
The weather is snowy.
The weather makes you horny. Keep your mind at peace.
I must take off my under.
Hey guys, it's Andre.
And it's your girl Theola.
And we are finally at
1,000
subscribers.
Let me do the break dance for you all. We just want to take this opportunity to say thank you for sharing our videos, commenting, liking, watching in any way at all that you support. We're very thankful for that.
So while Taylor's getting more emotional about it, we are gonna have a 1,000 subscribers party. We're not sure exactly of when the date will be, but we'll let you guys know.
And we might have a giveaway.
We will have a giveaway.
We will. Okay. We will have a giveaway.
Right.
So stay tuned.
So
for
stay
that.
tuned. And if you haven't, and if you're new here, just take a minute, subscribe. And
What are you waiting on? What are you waiting on?
Right.
Have you heard about the Spencers? You need to subscribe.
We have a post notification shout out for
Samara Hansen.
Yeah.
Of course, a lot of persons have been commenting and we are seeing you guys. So we're gonna, shout you guys out to let you know that, we see you and we appreciate you. So Samara Hansen, thank you for commenting and always sharing my videos and putting up with our crazy. Thank you. We appreciate you.
And also, if you want a post notification shout out, all you need to do is subscribe, hit that post notification button, and also comment because we choose them at random, right? So you could be next. In today's video, we're gonna do the whisper challenge.
Whisper challenge. It's a whisper listening challenge.
I think it's the whisper challenge.
Yeah.
If I'm wrong, someone state it in the comments. I think it's the whisper challenge. For those who do not know what the whisper challenge is, I will be saying random words or a phrase to Theola, and she will have to tell me what I'm saying while wearing these. Let's see who's the better listener. I think I can read lips pretty well because I pay attention to Theola's mouth like this. Hey, Andre.
That's creepy.
Can
That is
you
creepy.
wash the dishes?
Mostly because they always hear that. Anyways, we can still hear you, Oh, you're gonna play the music? Alright.
Ready?
Yes.
Can you hear me clearly? Alright, so I think she can't hear me.
Oh.
Ready? Alright.
Wait, something ugly?
Benedict Cumberbatch.
Melon?
Benedict Cumberbatch.
You married a bitch?
Craig, I looked this woman in the eye. I said, bitch.
I said Benedict Cumberbatch.
Oh, I'm thinking he said melon bitch. That's not nice. I know you have blue balls right now. I know you have blue balls right now.
I have a rug.
Blue balls
Wait.
right now.
Go again.
Balls.
Big balls! Basketballs!
You have blue balls right now.
I have blue balls right now. That's how you said? Oh!
Wait, I thought you meant you have blue balls.
Was I loud?
I stole $100 from your wallet.
Did you start? What?
I stole $100 from your wallet.
I know everything to do with money. You stole $100 from my wallet.
So I have to know everything will have to do with money. You weird.
Yeah, I got it right, right?
Yes, you did.
Because
I'm gonna
Theola's
give you a
lips
harder
are
one.
so Theola's lips are so defined. When she say I stole a, it's obvious.
Alright, I'm gonna undefine it.
So
now.
this is how Theola has to
I'm
go.
gonna undefine
I
it.
stole $100 from wallet.
Alright, so he's saying that my mouth is apparently it's defined, so I'm gonna undefine my mouth. You have a sexy booty. You have a sexy booty.
We had sex Monday. That's a week ago. That's not what you said.
You have a sexy booty.
I have sex without you. I'm.
I want to try to tell me say. You have a sexy booty.
I have a testimony.
You do. Yeah. You have a sexy booty.
Go again. Go again.
You have a sexy booty.
I have a sexy booty.
Yes. Because me never do my mouth like that anymore.
I told you, Theola's lips. So she was trying very hard. Alright, good job. That's what you said, sexy booty?
Mhm.
Okay.
So what you guys about you have sex without me now?
I got this. Let's do it. Call that.
The weather is snowy.
Go again.
The weather is snowy.
The weather is sunny.
Guys, it's legit snowing outside.
That's not what you said?
I don't know how he's saying sunny, but anyways, as long as he's getting it wrong.
Go again.
The weather is snowy.
The weather makes you horny. Theola's a pervert.
But guys, to be honest,
Theola
that's
is a
not
big
entirely
perv.
false, but you see what sun is, man?
That's not what you said?
The weather is snowy.
The weather is snowy. That's what you said?
Babe. So the thing is, yeah, distract me with the music.
Exactly.
That's why I'm not get the word
Yep.
right.
Guys, you know why I like Theola? Cause like we can vibe real easy. Like this is one of my songs, right? Logic Ballin', and she's just vibing out to it. So I appreciate that. Find someone who you can. I'm having a moment. Find someone who you can vibe with and enjoy your life with. I love this girl. She didn't hear a thing I'm saying, but she'll see it afterwards. All right. Well, not too much vibe. Keep your mind at peace.
What?
Keep your mind at peace.
What?
Keep your mind at peace.
You nasty!
Keep your mind at peace.
I must take off my underwear. You're gonna take pee. That's not nice. What you say?
So guys, we're not home. We're visiting family with kids. And Theola just
Am I
said that
alone?
out loud.
Oh.
Keep your mind.
Keep your mind?
I forgot what I was even saying. Keep your mind at peace.
Oh! Keep your mind in peace!
At peace,
So
but
where
sure.
did my mind go?
Her mind went into the gutters, shouting out, taking off panties and stuff like this in the people in the house.
Keep your mind in peace.
Keep your mind at peace.
Oh! Babe, I think it's that.
That's how maybe like, what the hell are you shouting? Where's that? We take off the panty! You're too wrong!
I'm gonna cut your hair in my sleep. Well, in your sleep. Sorry. I'm gonna cut your hair in your sleep. I'm gonna cut your hair in your sleep.
You're gonna my sleep?
Babe! I'm
Honest
gonna
to
edit
God,
out
I
every...
know. That's why I have to bleep it out. It sounds like you're saying you're gonna.
I'm gonna cut your hair in your sleep.
You're gonna cut my hair In my sleep?
Yes!
Oh!
So we don't know where your dream
Oh!
or where
She's
your
gonna cut
wish
my hair
are.
in my sleep.
But
Everything that I said before, nah, that I don't know what happened there.
Mhm. What's your favorite place on your body for me to touch?
That's too many words.
I don't care. Guess it.
What's
Top
my favorite
question.
place?
Mhm.
Go again.
Andre just put one part of that because that's that.
Am I the only one who studies like that?
Your brain work one different way, I'll tell you. Which part of your body is your favorite place for me to touch?
That's not words. Go again.
Where on your body is your favorite place for me to
You
touch?
mixed up the sentence, didn't you? You can't study with Theola, you know, she'll mix you up.
That is not.
Theola
I'm like,
started
wait,
the
is
thing
this
by saying,
sentence
what's your
right?
favorite this? And she changed the what's your favorite to something else.
But I remember
So,
it.
the part that I already studied and parked is gone. You know there's those teachers who put the exam in the water?
Can you show it? Where on your body do you like when I touch?
Which part of my body I like when you touch?
Yes.
My penis?
Jeez. Look me back.
So something you don't know about Theola, she knows no lyrics. Not one. Like, not one.
Stop chatting.
This song right now,
Babe,
let Theola
I want
sing
to
it.
learn this song.
So what's being played right now is Kalani's Gangster. Listen to the words. I think that's a good video for us to
You done?
karaoke. Alright,
You done?
What type of child were you growing up?
Oh, what kind of child would I prefer?
Sure.
Are done?
No.
What? Ask you again.
What type of child were you growing up?
Yeah, what kind of child would you dream of?
Go ahead.
I prefer a girl.
You hear that, future son? Your mom did not want you. You were cast aside like... Alright.
Stop chat me!
Future son, Kyle, she don't want you. Alright.
Done?
No, you...
I'm not get it right?
No.
Somebody will answer that!
Because it's funny. What is your favorite...
All the best people are crazy.
What's your...
Doctor, my son.
We need to have a lyrics challenge.
Alright.
Alright, so... What's your favorite flower?
You're peeling the skin off my face.
Favorite flower?
Orchids.
Okay.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how much do you love me?
On a scale of 1 to 10, how much do I love you?
Don't love me. Stop.
All the best people love.
Stop hitting them. No. No, go again.
No.
Ready again?
I love you 100%. You're
Ready?
amazing.
Ready? I just smeared your shirt with my makeup.
As me touch here, you come.
This is interesting.
That made more sense.
Okay.
Am I right?
No.
You're cute.
I just smeared your shirt with my makeup.
As I kiss you, you come.
Guys, I'm enjoying this one. Your shirt with my makeup.
Taylor, this is a paragraph,
That's all
not
I'm
a phrase.
say. I don't know what.
Taylor is supposed to be saying a phrase, but she's saying an entire paragraph.
No. I just smeared your shirt with my makeup. Evidence by.
I don't know.
I just smeared your shirt with my makeup.
Alright, she won
You
that one.
lose.
Alright.
I just smeared your shirt with my makeup.
Oh. So guys, I think that's the end of this video. We had fun. If you like this video, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And see you on the next one.
See you on the next one. Of course.
Are you gonna let me down? Are you gonna watch me fall in love, then let me drown? Or are you gonna love me now and give me something that will never pull me down?